Whoa, we finally got, dude, I want this thing for so long. We got ourselves a swing case. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Matty here. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you are here for the first time, smash that like because that helps the channel. All right, as you saw, we got ourselves a swing case. Since I met Ryan on that dude, that was 2 years ago. Can you believe it, Ryan? 2 years ago I saw he had this swing case, and since then I was planning to get one, and I will show you exactly why, because it's just a way to organize more your truck. I hope the install is not that bad. As far as I can tell, we're gonna see the instructions, but before we start, don't forget, Hard Work Force, it is live. Right now we are running 2 time entries. If you miss the 10 time entries, the 2 time entries is still good. So we have new hoodies. This hoodie here, I love it. Look at, earn it, not given. That's what we stand for, right? Nothing is free in this life, nothing, it's easy. Everything you gotta work for, and that's what Hard Work Force stands for. So we are giving away, just to show the appreciation that I have for you guys. And trust me, that was a really stretch to do all this thing and still give away a brand new GoPro bundle. That thing is worth $600. So if you can support the channel, I will really appreciate your help. There's a link in the description below for Hard Work Force. Every dollar you spend is 2 time entries. Take advantage now of 2 time entries because you can win a GoPro. You're gonna get a call from me so we can talk a little bit, especially if you have a truck or a Corvette. That's gonna be so much fun, all right? Hard Work Force live right now. Don't waste time. Let me show you the main reason why I wanna to install the swing case. And the main reason is very simple. As you can see there, I have stuff on my floor. So, and that's not only the floor. You see, I have my flag over here. I have my toe hand. I have gloves. I have a bunch of stuff there. So, and also, as you can tell, I don't have any tools on my truck, which is a shame, because if something happened or I need to help somebody, how are we gonna do it, right? So that's where the swing case comes in handy. So we're gonna install that right now, and I hope it's gonna be easy. You guys know it's never easy, right? Well, first of all, I'm quite sure I need to clean. Look at this mess, dude. So, it is what it is. Let's clean it. The good thing about the bed rug, it's for what I use the truck, it's very helpful. And it's easy to clean. And if you need to put something that you don't want to scratch or anything like that, this works great. A little bit over 3 years though that I have this, not a single problem. I wash it a bunch of times. As you guys can see, I have like pieces of sheetrock, like leaves, also coal. Yeah, I heat my house with coal, so I put coal here. It's still in good shape. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna vacuum it. So much better. Now the fun's gonna begin. Let's open this bad boy here and see what we got. I never know how they put those boxes together. See, told you it's not heavy. That's it. That's all we got, boys. So to open, you rotate the locker. So we got ourselves the instructions, which is very important. The hardware. We basically got everything you need. This is the size of it. I mean, it's pretty. The other thing is pretty cool though. You see here, if you are tailgating, there's cup holders here. I don't know how well they work, but they should work, right? I think we got everything we need. Those are the brackets that it comes with. Those are the bolts. They are self-tapping, so you definitely need to make a hole on the badge of your truck. So if you're concerned about that, I'm sorry, but it is what it is, right? So the first thing we need to do is attach the bracket to those two bolts here with those two nuts here, right? I'm gonna use a plier to do this. It's just a plastic. Yeah, I'm using this kind of one because that's what the one I have. The other one is on the back. I'm too lazy to go back there and grab the right one. This goes here, and then those two nuts, they go there. You have two options though. The passenger side and the driver side. I got one for the passenger side. When I have enough funds, I will try to get the other one for the other side. So I have two. One I can just keep the miscellaneous thing, the other one I can keep my tools. So but for now, that's what we have. That's what we're gonna deal with. We're gonna install on the passenger side. Now we need to measure, because think about it, this box here cannot be too low, because if it's too low, how are you gonna swing it, right? So you gotta measure where the bracket's going. Is measure 11/8 and 7/8. I'll try to make a mark 11 and 7/8. There should be something around here. The bracket has to go like this. Make the first hole, then I'm gonna put on level. So that should be my first hole right there. So I'm gonna put the level, just to make sure it's level. So once you put your first screw on, you have two more over here. I'm gonna attach it, all this, the bolts, and we should be good to go to the next step. Well, this thing is not going anywhere. So let's see if the box fit, because that's the most important thing. There we go. If loose, boom. So we have enough clear. It's have enough space here. How this looks from the top. It should be pretty easy to use though. So that's how much space you have under the bottom. All right, I had to move the truck because the sun was too bad over there. So that's how it's looking like. The operation should be pretty easy. It's like, and that comes forward. I think I still need to attach the locker. You can lock on top, and you can also lock here. See here, there's a lock. There's a space for a lock. Well, one thing I noticed before you guys, you know, come after me, you have the option to install the bracket underneath of the bed rug. See here? But I just don't want to deal with it because I'll leave this for now. The only problem they say it's you can because the material of the bed rug, the bolts can get loose with the time. I just don't want to deal with removing my bed rug, because you see here it's underneath, and I have like the bed lights. So I'll leave this for now. If it starts getting bad, then I will do just remove it and then put the bracket, because when you put the bracket on, you gotta cut the bed rug. So this part here, it's exposed, so you can attach it, and this part here too, it's exposed. You have to cut your bed rug, which I mean, I made holes already, so it is what it is. It's not a big deal at all. I'll leave this for now. I saw this, but I just don't want to deal with it, right? The other thing, it's coming with this lock. You have two options to lock your thing, right? The first one, you put like a regular locker here. See, I don't have one here to demonstrate, but you can just put one over here, and that's it. And you can use this one that they send you. So you swing like this and just lock it. Boom. And then remove the key. This one is not gonna allow anybody to swing the box, but this one's gonna allow you to swing but not remove it. You see, I cannot take it out. The only problem I see so far with my install, it's because you see here the badge, so I cannot open with the box completely closed. For me to open, I gotta do this and then do this, which is not a big deal at all. I don't even know if I'm even gonna open with this thing closed, because the main thing is when you are here, I cannot reach there. So the goal is to do this and open. Clean installed. We are done. Let me show you how much room we have here underneath of the seats. Look at that, dude. I still have some, I need to clean. For sure, I need to clean it up. But that's what we have so far. That's how it should be. You unlock here. You open. There you go. I put some tools here, essential tools like screwdrivers, plier, flashlight, knife, some options for the screwdriver. Underneath here I have my flag, and here I have more tools, gloves because the winter is coming, umbrella, all my strap thing if I need to strap something, and then I lock. That's it. That's my toolbox installed. I'm so happy with it. The one more task we need to do, we need to put the cover back. Not an issue at all. Like if I want to bring that out and take it out, that's it, easy. And to put it back on. Whoa. Doesn't get any better, right? I always wanted one. As I said, I always wanted one, and maybe I'll get another one to put in here. That's it. The install took me like, I don't know, 20 minutes. Took me more because I was recording, but if you're doing it by yourself, probably it's gonna take you less than that. The instructions are very helpful. It's an easy install. Now I have a back clean seat, underneath. I know you guys have a lot of stuff there. If you don't have, like, if you're not big in sound, you probably have a bunch of stuff there like I did. I'm not one of those guys anymore. I'm done, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed. There's a link in the description below for that swing box there. I think I paid $200 and it was on sale, so that's like the price range. As I said, I might get another one. We see how that goes, but I really think I should have two. That's gonna make you separate things like tools and everything else in the other one. So we'll see. As long as I have funds for it, I'll get it, right? Don't forget to enter to win the GoPro 9 Hero bundle. There's a link in the description below, right? And I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next upload. As always, thanks so much for watching. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.